Imagine this. It's Monday morning. You wake up, grab your coffee, and by the time you sit at your desk, your AI assistant has already answered emails, scheduled your meetings, updated your reports, and even drafted your client proposal. Sounds futuristic, right? Well, in 2025, this is reality. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're talking about Agentic AI, new wave of artificial intelligence that isn't just analyzing data. It's acting on your behalf, taking over the boring, repetitive workflows and freeing humans to focus on creativity, strategy, and big-picture thinking. So if you've ever wondered, will AI replace me? Stick around, because the answer might surprise you. Section 1. What is Agentic AI? Host voiceover with visuals. First, let's break it down. Agentic AI isn't your average chatbot or virtual assistant. It's more than just ChatGPT giving you answers. Think of it as an AI agent that doesn't just give you suggestions. It can make decisions, run tasks, and complete workflows end-to-end. For example, instead of just telling you what your calendar looks like, it actually books the meetings, blocks your time, and sends reminders. Instead of just suggesting keywords for your marketing campaign, it actually creates the campaign, runs the ads, and reports the performance. This is why experts are calling 2025 the year of Agentic AI. It's not about replacing humans, it's about replacing drudgery. Section 2. Why workflows matter. Host on camera. Conversational tone. Think about your average workday. How much time do you spend on repetitive, low-value tasks? Emails, scheduling, data entry, generating reports. If you're honest, probably half your day. That's the exact space where Agentic AI thrives. It takes over the grunt work, so your brain power is saved for innovation, strategy, and connection, the things AI can't truly replace. And here's the thing. Companies that adopt Agentic AI workflows are moving twice as fast as competitors, still doing things manually. Just like factories in the Industrial Revolution, automation is no longer a nice-to-have, it's survival. Section 3. Real-life examples of Agentic AI in action. BRL office workers, AI dashboards, bots, running processes, voiceover. Let's look at some real examples. Customer support. Instead of a chatbot that just answers FAQs, Agentic AI bots can fully handle returns, refunds, and ticket escalations without a human ever stepping in. Finance and accounting. AI agents now reconcile expenses, process invoices, and even flag fraud in real time. Marketing and sales. Imagine launching a new product. Your AI agent creates the landing page, sets up Facebook ads, writes email sequences, and tracks conversions. Healthcare. Some clinics already use AI agents to schedule patient visits, handle follow-ups, and prepare medical documentation for doctors. Personal life. On a smaller scale, Agentic AI can order groceries, pay your bills, remind you of anniversaries, and even plan your next vacation. See what's happening. AI is not just assisting, it's acting, and that's the game changer. Section 4. The big question. Will this replace jobs? Host on camera. Alright, let's address the elephant in the room. Does this mean jobs are gone? Here's the truth. Some jobs will absolutely be automated. Repetitive administrative roles, data entry, scheduling, those are at risk. But history shows us something important. Automation doesn't kill work, it transforms it. Just like the Industrial Revolution didn't destroy employment, it shifted humans from farms to factories, and then from factories to offices. Agentic AI will shift humans into higher value roles. Strategy, design, leadership, problem-solving, emotional intelligence, things AI can't master. So, if you adapt, Agentic AI isn't a threat, it's your competitive advantage. Section 5. How to leverage Agentic AI in your own life. Voiceover with practical tips on screen. Here's the million-dollar question. How can you start using Agentic AI in 2025? Here are 5 actionable steps. Audit your day. Write down every repetitive task you do, weekly emails, data entry, scheduling. Pick one AI tool. Platforms like AutoGPT, Lankin, or Enterprise Agentic AI solutions are designed to automate entire workflows. Start small. Don't try to automate your whole life in one go. Begin with something simple like email replies or report generation. Train the AI. The more context you give your preferences, tone, style, the more effective it becomes. Scale up. Once you trust the system, expand into larger tasks. Marketing campaigns, finance, automation, or even customer support. Remember, the winners in this new era aren't the ones who fear AI, it's the ones who learn to work with AI. Section 6. The future of workflows in 2025 and beyond. Host on camera. Leaning in. We're entering a future where businesses may run with smaller teams, bigger output, and AI agents doing most of the busy work. The question isn't, will Agentic AI take over? It's already here. The real question is, are you ready to take advantage of it? Because the gap between those who use Agentic AI and those who don't is only going to widen. And in 2025, that gap could mean the difference between thriving or being left behind. Closing music, quick montage of AI tools in action. Host smiling. So now, I want to hear from you. What S1 task in your daily life you'd love to hand over to an AI agent? Drop it in the comments below, because I might feature your answer in an upcoming video. If you found this video valuable, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next one. And if you want to go deeper, check out my playlist on AI and the future of work. I'll link it right here. This is the future, and you have a choice. Let AI replace your tasks or let it empower your success. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.